Hey guys, it's Darren here from KIFFIX, and today I'd like to do a short tutorial on how to build and use the Shortlink service on the KIFFIX platform. So basically from your dashboard, you want to go to Shortlinks. Basically, a shortlink is taking a long URL and being able to shorten the actual link, customize the name so that it's easy to share. What's really nice with the short links is that you'll actually get analytics and statistics on that link as well on the KIFFIX platform. So to start off, you can say shorten URL. It brings up this little box here. It says long URL, and then this is where you actually customize the name. So I've got a Spotify link, long Spotify tail link here, which I'll copy and paste it into the long URL. And then I'm going to just change this to say track title, for example. You can name this anything you would like, and then you can say shorten URL. And then what this does, you can see that's the destination, the Spotify link, and then this is the actual link that you will now use to share to social media, etc., etc. So the reason we do this is, like I've mentioned, to get the statistics and analytics. So I can show you some examples. These are some of my short links. If you click on the total page views, or you could go here and click on statistics. And what this does, it opens up a really cool page of very useful information regarding where your clicks are coming from, the browsers that they're using, operating systems, where they're finding the link, for example. So it's really nice. You can actually filter the date and time, and get good analytics on these links. I also want to show you some of the features, and other things you can do with this. I'm not going to go through all of these, but for example, a temporary URL. So you can actually schedule this link that'll work only between certain time period. So you can say a start date, and an end date, for example, and when you update it, that link will only work between those dates that you've allocated. Another kind of feature is a click limit. So, for example, let's say you've got a link with a free download, you can send it out to your fans, and the first 100 people that click the link and download will get the free download, for example. So you can put a click limit on it, and then you can also redirect the link to, let's say, your website or your Instagram page if the link has expired, or the click limit has reached this limit. So that's really cool. And then another really cool feature is the protection. You can put a password, for example, on the link. So if it's sensitive information that you're wanting to send out, and you don't want everyone to see it, you can put a password so that the people that you send the password to, they can open the link and have a look at what you sent them. There's also a toggle for sensitive content as well. Yeah, there's some other really cool features. You can add pixels, and app linking, etc. So when you're on the KIFFIX platform, have a look, play around with some of these features. They're really cool. And again, enjoy being able to customize your links, and get the good stats and analytics on all your stuff. So yeah, if you would like to join KIFFIX, please reach out to us on Instagram, or you can go to kiffix.com on our website, and we'll be happy to get in touch with you. Yeah, thanks very much, and we'll see you again soon.